So, hello guys, today we are going to talk about Elon Musk, man with brilliant vision. He's the richest man living on earth. He was born on 28 June 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. Childhood life of Elon Musk. He did his schooling in Pretoria Boys High School and then studied in several colleges. He loved to read books, used to study for more than 10 hours. Spent his childhood studying in library. But many of his friends described him as a likable, quiet and unspectacular student. He did not have any friend as per his biography. In the next slide, we will show you the family life of Elon Musk. Family life of Elon Musk. Mother of Elon Musk was Mae Musk. She was an model and dietitian from Canada. His father was Elon Musk, who was electromechanical engineer, pilot, sailor, and he was the resident of South Africa. He had a sister and brother named Tosco Musk and Kimball Musk, respectively. In the further slide, we will tell you about the professional life of Elon Musk. Elon Musk had two wives, Toila Riley, Justine Musk, and in total 7 children. Professional life of Elon Musk. Elon Musk started his professional life very early by creating a game at the age of 12 and selling it in $500. This can be called first income of Elon Musk. He founded the company X.com in 1999, SpaceX in 2002, and Tesla Motors in 2003. He became a millionaire by late 20s by selling his startup company Zip2 to the division of compact computer. Boring Company was launched by Elon Musk in 2016, Neuralink in 2016, OpenAI in 2015, Solar City in 2006, and Virgin Hyperloop in 1 June. There are several companies launched by Elon Musk. PayPal was also founded by Elon Musk. But unfortunately, later he was removed from that. Some of the major failures of Elon Musk: rejection from Netscape and ousted from Zip2. PayPal was awarded Worst Business Concept of the Year. Tesla was failing hard before it became profitable. His personal life and finances were also at failure. Elon Musk also failed at launching many rockets, and after failing, he became broke. These were the 5 major failures of Elon Musk. From this video, you should be inspired and never fear from failing. In the life, if you will not fail, you can't succeed. In life, after so many problems, still Elon Musk continued to work and in 2020 became richest man of world.